Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log in to your Discover account. So let's get started. First, open any browser that you like. Then in the search bar, type in Discover card, then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as discovercard.com. In my case, it's the second one, so tap on it. And now you'll be facing a form asking for your user ID and your password. So go ahead and provide your user ID in the text field given for user ID. Then provide your password in the text field given for password. You can also check this box that says remember user ID so that you don't have to provide your login credentials next time you log in. If you have forgotten your user ID or your password, you can reset it by tapping on this text that says forgot user ID or forgot password. If you don't have account in Discover, you can create one by tapping on this text register your account. Now, to log in, all you gotta do is tap on this login button and you will be successfully logged in if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider liking this video and subscribe to our channel TechUp. Feel free to drop any of your queries in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.